Creamy Chicken Bog is easy, inexpensive Southern comfort food. It's a simple combination of rice, chicken, and sausage, and it's pure perfection. Place a whole chicken in a Dutch oven and cover with water and add 2 teaspoons of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 celery rib cut into 2-inch pieces. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer for 50 minutes. Remove the chicken and pour the liquid through a fine mesh sieve. Add a pound of spicy breakfast sausage to the same Dutch oven. When it is halfway cooked, add a diced onion and 14 ounces of sliced smoked sausage. When the sausage is fully cooked, add 2 cups of uncooked rice, 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup, 4 cups of cooking liquid, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 chicken bouillon cube, and 1 bay leaf. Shred the chicken and stir it in. Place the lid on the Dutch oven and cook in a 350-degree oven for 55 to 60 minutes. Serve with some fresh cornbread or biscuits for a down-home Southern meal. Find the full recipe at spicysouthern.kitchen.com.